Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to unbox, assemble and try the Hecht 6208 petrol shredder or wood chipper. Let's roll! Okay, after the unboxing, you can see what was within. There was the main unit itself, some other attachments. There were some other parts you haven't seen me taking off the box because it was somewhere deep inside. Also, there is this sprayable oil that's not part of the package. I purchased it as an extra. They just chucked it in the same box. And of course, there were some tools for the assembly and a bit of rainforest.
Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile, every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was love, bet that you felt the same.
Okay, there are two screws over there which I couldn't really record without covering up everything, and also the manufacturer cocked it up a little because this welding of this part is not exactly straight, so the holes didn't line up, so it became like a two-people job. One had to kind of like twist it and hold it a bit, and the other one to put the screws in.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my
I wish you'd stay, but there you go. I have so much I wanna say to you, much I wanna say, but there's no time. We used it all. Still have so much I wanna talk about, but I messed it up and there you go. There you go, walking out that door. It felt so close, closer than it felt before. And yeah, I know that I always hurt your feelings. Yeah, I know that you'll never be forgiving me, and I just want you to know I didn't mean it. Baby, I just wanna be with you. I should be with you. There is so much that I would change about the way I treated you. I don't deserve.
Okay, boys and girls, that was the Hecht 6208 wood chipper or petrol shredder. I've seen no indication in the user manual, but it was taking like half a liter of oil. It takes 10W30. But as I said, around half a liter I could pour into, and it didn't go to the maximum sign. It was just somewhere under the max. Other than that, there was like 400-500 milliliters of petrol in my jerry can left. I poured it in. I didn't really use it for a long time, and that was that. It took all the petrol, so it really likes to drink petrol. The consumption is not really on the economical side. Of course, it's rather noisy. It's like 110 decibels. And all in all, I have to say, because it was blooming expensive, maybe half the price for me it is worth, but not the full price. It has so many design issues, in my opinion. For me, it looks like, I don't know, the homework for an engineering student who got the task that for the next day needs to design something like this, like a wood chipper, and that was the result of the overnight planning. Anywho, would I recommend? Well, it is shredding nicely, I have to say. The small twigs it didn't really like though, because it just broke the small twigs in some smaller pieces and then spat it out. But the bigger, chunkier twigs or branches, it was grinding it up or shredding it nicely. So all in all, it's okay. It does what it's supposed to, but I think it's overpriced. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.